Hi YouTube, my name is Steve Bonin. Welcome to Urban DIY, where we are devoted to working in small spaces. Let's get on with it. In part two, we got the marking gauge put together, and now in part three, we are going to do the burnt wood finish and add the hold down knob. So let's get on with it. To do a burnt wood finish, and blowtorch. This is ceramic and concrete. Bucket of water. I don't know if that's in shot. I've done a few now. This is like my first time ever trying this. So this is my third practice piece. So what I think I like is I like it darker on the edges. So I'm trying to just do that on the edge of the face. So I'm trying to get it dark on the edge of the face, and then fill it in to get it as dark as. That's kind of cool. Then on the edges, that was already dark. I like the kind of a medium. Oops, that got too dark, too fast. Something like that. So then I dry it off, keeping the linseed oil away from the open flame. It was over on the cement step there. Probably a little bit more than what I wanted. Okay. See if I can bring this into shot. Okay, so you can kind of see you get that shiny black. That barely got touched. I like this. Where is it in camera? So it's darker on the edges and still has some wood color showing through, lighter browns. There's a dark edge. I like that. Okay, there it is. I got so excited, unfortunately I forgot to turn the camera on. So I've tried for the darker edges and the lighter in the middle. It didn't work so well on the bottom. And I'm going to have to go get those longer screws, and we're going to cut them off like that side. And then the top, the brass really pops on there. As you can see, around the brass screws, because the brass conducts the heat away very quickly, you have light spots around the brass screws, which you probably won't have on these ones because there were no screws in it. Anyway, that's it. The next thing is to put the ruler in and finish up the screws and put the nickel in, and I'll come back in a second to do that. Okay, the heating process must have really fixed that glue from the tape. This did not want to come apart, so I didn't force it. I took the screws out and I pried it up enough to get the nickel in there. So the nickel is in there. It's in spot. And let's get these in here. Okay, turn it upside down so that the nickel falls into where it's supposed to. And there it is. It fits, it slides nice. Okay, I'm just going to go make a handle for this, and I'll be back. So anyways, we're gonna go have a coffee, wait for this to dry, maybe eat some lunch, and then we're gonna come back and put it together. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes. Oh, it's in there pretty hard. Okay. Okay, so there it is. There's a little bit of play. Once you lock it down, there's none. Thanks for watching. Please, if you made it this far, please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Check out these other videos.